Today we're making apple pie spice waffles. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's a really great recipe and we are using our apple pie spice. Now if you want to learn how to make apple pie spice, just click that eye in the sky. It'll show you how to make apple pie spice. You can just go out and buy it. It doesn't matter. Make it yourself, buy it. This is wonderful. These are great waffles, or you can use them as pancakes, either way. But I'm going to show you how to do this. This is so easy. You don't need to buy waffle mix or pancake mix. You can make it yourself. So we're going to start off with our flour. Remember, all of our ingredients flash up down on your screen. They're also listed down in the description. And don't forget, if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and also ring that bell so that way you get notifications when I do new videos. So now we add our flour, baking powder, apple pie spice, and salt. I'm going to whisk these together. Now I'm going to take our eggs. I'm just going to lightly beat these. Add this to our dry mixture, along with our milk. I'm mixing this in gradually. We'll throw in our sugar. And this is a special thing. This is apple vodka. Now, if you want to learn how to make apple vodka, let me know down in the comments. Or you can use apple brandy, or you could just use vanilla. It works just as well. You could also use spiced rum. It does taste just as good. We'll add the rest of our milk. Oh, that smells so good. Don't forget to add your melted butter. You'll want to mix that till it's all incorporated. Then we're going to put this in our preheated and greased waffle maker. Now mine's just a round one, or you can use this as pancakes, whatever you want. Then we're going to let this go ahead and cook. Our pancakes are done. I'm going to take one of the first ones and give it a taste. Wow. Those are spicy. They have that apple taste. They taste nothing, which is really funny. They taste absolutely nothing like pumpkin pie spice waffles, which I've done before. Might do those again if you want that recipe. These are so good. You can make them anytime, a little butter, a little syrup, and you have a wonderful treat. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you have any ideas or suggestions, leave them down in the comment part, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.